Hello, welcome to Art 1. My name is Mr. Vogler. So I am teaching Art 1 this year and I would like to welcome you to my classroom. This back to school night is kind of strange because we can meet in person, but I am happy to at least share a few things about my classroom and the subject I teach. So Art 1 is something which I really enjoy teaching because first and foremost I am an artist. So my education, my background, it's all about art and art making. So I like to share that knowledge and background with my students, and I can teach them in classroom and online as well. So I can show them my art, I can guide them through different techniques while drawing or recording video presentation. I will show you a few things, technical things about Art 1 Classroom. Please, if you have any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to email me.
podcast I've enjoyed so much, and I hope that everyone else can enjoy it as much as I do.